Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad to be back after being gone for a long time. I hope you guys didn't miss me too much. Anyways, I want to show you guys how to prepare this lovely chicken salad. It doesn't take time at all. It can be used as an appetizer for your meal. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as usual, if you do like it, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. So first of all, we're going to have our frying pan on fire. You don't have to wait for it to get hot. And then we're going to pour in some coconut oil. You can use normal oil, but obviously it's a salad, so it sort of has the healthy flavor into it. Then put in some onions, as well as our ginger and garlic. I'm just going to grate that in. And our ginger. So I'm going to give that a stir. This already smells amazing, guys. So after that, I'm going to get our mushrooms. Just going to finely chop them. I'm using oyster mushroom, by the way. I prefer them to normal mushrooms because they just have a better texture in your mouth. We are going to take this out. Back on our fire, add more coconut oil. Then we are going to have our chicken breast. You could use bacon, sausages, but just make sure when you cut them, they are cut into very fine dices. So I've marinated this with salt, black pepper and cayenne pepper. Just going to pour that in. I'm going to saute this for like 3 to 5 minutes. And you have to keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. And also it has to be on a very, very high heat. And then we take our onion, ginger, garlic, mushroom back into the pot and give that a quick stir. Just leave that to sit for like 30 seconds, let it just fry. Now after that, we're going to add in our bell pepper mixtures and just stir that. Again, if it's getting too dry, you can add more oil, but I'm going to leave mine like this. Then we're going to add in our corn. There's no corn salad without corns, obviously. I prefer using the one in the can because they have more taste than the frozen ones. And then we're going to add some parsley. You can add coriander, any fresh leaves that you have, or even scent leaf, mint leaf, and just stir that. And if you notice, I've not added any salt because we're going to lastly add some soya sauce, which has like a lot of spice in it. Like, it's really salty. So make sure you don't add too much and quickly stir it. Guys, this smells really, really good. As I said, it doesn't take that much time. Like, as you can see, I'm practically done. I'm just going to leave this for a couple of seconds and it will be good to go. So that's everything, guys. As easy as anything. Just literally took us less than 20 minutes to make it. And we're just going to put that into our salad bowl and then just garnish with a bit of parsley. And I'm just going to add some sweet chili sauce. You can add any other kind of sauce you like. Also like a balsamic vinaigrette to go perfectly well with this. And there you go, guys. In under 20 minutes you have a lovely salad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.